Let's make your favorite food, takikomi gohan.
Which is Japanese mixed rice that can fit in one pot.
Let the dried mushroom sleep in there for one night. Now mushroom is ready to use and the water will be an ingredient for cooking rice too.
Rinse the rice in cold water. Soak it in the water for 30 minutes. And then cut the shiitake mushrooms into strips. And also cut carrot into thin strips. Cut off the roots of the shimeji mushrooms. Separate them into small clusters. For protein, I choose deep fried tofu pulse, but you can choose any protein that you like. I think it's go well with chicken and salmon too. In the pot, add the mushroom water, mirin, soy sauce, dashi powder. Add other ingredients evenly. Bring the pot to boil over high heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it cook for 20 minutes. Mix everything all together and enjoy. I understand why it is his favorite food, as it's so delicious and comforting. I think it's perfect for lunch walk.